In this video, I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek R1 model locally on your computer. So to download, first you need to go to this website called lmstudio.ai and download LM Studio for Windows, or you can also download for Mac. So I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to download LM Studio for Windows. So just click on it and it will start to download. And after that, you just need to install it. It's very easy to install. After installing the LM Studio, you just need to open this LM Studio. After opening the LM Studio, which is a application for to run large model language privately or locally on your computer. So now you just have to download DeepSeek R1. So just go to this search bar discover option, and here you need to search for DeepSeek, and here you will find a lot of options like DeepSeek R1 Distill, Qwen 7v, DeepSeek R1 Distill, Llama 8b, and there are other options like this model is DeepSeek R1 UD, which is likely too large for my computer. So we're going to download the lowest version that can run on my computer, which is DeepSeek R1 Distill Qwen 7b, and it's only 4.68 GB. This model can handle any computer if you have a graphics card. So I'm just going to click on download and it will start to download on my LM Studio application. So you just need to wait for a couple of minutes. It depends on your internet speed. So after completing the model, you just need to close it. Just close this option also. Then if you just go to this search model option, and you can find there the DeepSeek R1 model. So you just need to click on this DeepSeek R1 model. Now you can choose this how much token or GPU offload you're using right now. So just click on load model and it will now run the R1 model for you. So first of all, I just want to show you that it's run locally. So I'm just going to use the DeepSeek R1 model in online right now. And here is the letter. And here is a question for DeepSeek R1 in the AI version of the online. So just how many A's in success. So just send message and it will start to thinking like how many A's are in the success word. So as you can see, it's starting to make the reasoning with the model to clear that how many A's are in the success word. As we already know, there's three A's in the success word, and this is the online version of the R1 model, and this is the result they gave me, which is 3. There's 3 A's in the success. So I'm going to use the same question in the R1 model in the local option here. So just go to the LM Studio and I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi or the internet connection. So I'm going to show you I'm right now using this in local option and privately. So just going to put the same question here and click on send. And as you can see, it giving me the answer in locally or the private option here, and it's also showing the total number of A's in success is equal to 3, which is completely right, but it reasoning with this private option is not better like the R1 version that I use in online, because I have downloaded the most lowest version, which is the 7b. As you can see, LM Studio R1 7b option. If you have a better graphics card or have a better performance PC, you can download the other version with the 7b, 8b or 9b or 15b or 16b option. So I'm just showing you that you can run it offline or privately and locally on your computer. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.